how to show completed tasks on Todoist. Want to see what you've already finished in Todoist? Here's how to show completed tasks step by step. So first, open the project where you want to view completed tasks. And then from here, click on display at the top right, and then set the completed tasks to enable. And then you'd be able to view all of the completed tasks. For example, this is a completed task. You can find it on your current view. Now, if you disable that from here, that would be gone from your list. And that is how to show completed tasks on Todoist.